Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and if you've never been here before, then welcome to the channel. It's so good to have you here. I hope that your day is going well. Mine is going pretty good. It is pretty cold up here in Indianapolis, so yeah, whoa, and it's supposed to be getting colder. So if you are up in the Midwest, be safe out there. So in today's video, I just wanted to come on and announce the winner of the 35P Morphe palette, the plum, the tongue twister, the plum pleasers palette that I am giving away on my channel, and Jess Gus is giving away on her channel. So this is a dynamic duo giveaway. You had 2 chances to win if you put in for it on my channel and you put in for it on Jess's channel. So before we get into who won the palette, I do want to say one quick thing. Jess had mentioned the fact that on her channel that the Picante palette was, which was a BOXY charm palette, was made, distributed in the US, made in the PRC. And so she had asked me, we had talked about it, she had asked me to follow up on that because I did not get the Picante palette in my BOXY charm. I had opted for the what is the name of the brand? The Sueva Cricket. That's Mommy's, you can't chew on that, darling. That's Mama's hair ties, and this is paper, and that's not good for you. So, let Mommy put this up here. Don't chew on that, baby. It's not good for you. You want to sit up here with Mama? Come on, you can sit up here with Mama. Here, come on. You want to sit up here with Mama? Here, sit up here with Mama. You can talk to everybody, too. So, anyway, I had gotten the flat iron to curl your hair, but it's because I already owned the Picante palette that I had bought from CVS. And so this is no way affiliated with BOXY Charm. And I just wanted to let you guys know that my Carity palette does say that it is distributed, designed in the US, made in the PRC. So whether you got it from BOXY Charm or you get it from CVS or wherever, and I paid like 20 something, I don't know, it was a little bit of a pricey palette that I bought at CVS. It was not a cheap palette by any means whenever I picked this up at the CVS. Was it CVS or was it Walgreens? Anyway, it was either CVS or Walgreens. I think it was CVS that I bought mine at. And this is made in the People's Republic of China, no matter whether you get it from BOXY Charm or whether you get it from the drugstore. Either which way, it's made in PRC. So, you know, I just hate that a lot of things are being said, or a lot of worry is being brought about to BOXY Charm that should not be. And just because things are made in the PRC does not mean that it's a bad product. There's plenty of wonderful products that are made in the PRC. That doesn't mean that the formula's been changed just because, or that the formula's bad just because it's been made in the PRC. Now whether someone is, you know, trying to pull the wool over your eyes and they're changing the formula up and making a substandard product and not letting you know about it, now that's a different story. And so, you know, that may be something that we need to address, that we need to talk about, that we need to be on the lookout for. But just because something is made in the PRC, just like Kaleidos, is made in the PRC, and that's a wonderful brand. I have a whole box of Kaleidos makeup here, and if you look on this, it ships from there, you know, it's even has one side, it's a Chinese brand, it has one side that's written in Chinese over here, one side that's written in English over here. So, you know, it even has the Chinese, it even has the Chinese language over here. And so, you know, very good makeup right here. And so, you know, it ships from China. You know, during Lunar New Year, they said, you know, things would be closed down if you were on the Kaleidos website. So, you know, just be aware. This, whether you got it from BOXY or whether you got it from somewhere else, it is made in the PRC. So just wanted to update about that. So now getting into the winner of the 35P Morphe Plum Pleasers palette. Who won? So let's take a look at the random comment picker and see whose name came up. We're just going to hit the start button and see. Well, oh, hang on a minute. I gotta get my comments first. So there they are, and we are going to hit the start button and see who the winner is. Melinda Hall, oh my goodness, girl, you have never won on my channel, I don't think. Oh my goodness, and you are always putting in for stuff on my channel. I am so excited for you. Look at that. And you always say, hey, hey, Miss Lady. And there you are again. So, my goodness, Melinda, look at that. You see your name all up in lights? Look at that. I am so tickled. I'm so happy for you, Melinda. Oh my goodness, you are such a good subscriber. You have been with me for so long now, and you are on live chats over on Jess's. You are a good subscriber for so many of us creators out there. I am just like, I just am just beside myself happy for you. I am so excited. So, woohoo, baby girl, look at you. So I can't even believe it. I'm so excited for you. Okay, woohoo, happy, happy, happy. Oh my goodness, do you believe that? Can you believe it? And Melinda Hall is a very, very good subscriber. She is a good subscriber of mine. She's a good subscriber of Jess's, and she makes the rounds on YouTube. And I am so thrilled to have her pick up something on my channel. She has supported me from the get-go. And so, you know, I am just so excited to start seeing some of my very good, I mean, right out of the gate, my very good from the very beginning subscribers start picking up some things on my channel. I'm so excited for that because, guys, it's just super wonderful to have subscribers that interact with you. We love the comments. We love the interactions, and you know, to see that finally paying off for some of these long-term, wonderful commenting, wonderful interacting subscribers, it just warms my heart. I love it. I love to see these guys, you know, finally, you know, picking up some of these prizes. It just makes my heart boil over. And, you know, Melinda, you have really been there. You have been in those comments just on, I think, every single video I've ever put out. I mean, you are there. You are like notification squad. I'm the first one here. You know, hey, Miss Lady. And, you know, I know you. I know, you know, you support me on IG. You support me here on this format. And I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And this is going to you, lady. Hey, Miss Lady, this one's for you, baby. So yeah, thank you so much for everything that you do for me, for Jess, for all of the other creators that you support. You mean a lot to all of us, I know. And so thank you for being there on Jessica's lives. I see you there, you know, and I just love interacting with you. So thank you so much. And hit me up at getthisglowing@gmail.com and let me know where you want these winnings to be sent to, and I will get this in the mail to you, girl. Thank you so much. You mean so much to me. So, and thank all of you for putting in for this and for, you know, supporting me, supporting Jess, for supporting our channels, for being there, for leaving your comments. I love interacting with you. You just are what this channel is all about. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And so we have, I have my giveaway for the some kind of blood palette. I don't know what. But the red one, the red and white Valentine's Day palette. So I've got that going on. I've got the one with Jess, the Perfect Selfie palette. We've got this one going on. And I will be dropping another one pretty soon. So yeah, I've got to figure out what day I'm going to post my next one. And then Jess and I will have some more starting soon as well. So yeah, so don't forget to get in on those. If you want in on those, don't forget about the other two that I have going on my channel. Jess has got some going on her channel. I'm waiting for my other boxes. I don't know where they are to come in, but I do have some other ones coming in, and I will be filming another unboxing, so I'll probably have some stuff from that too. So yep, and thank you so much for those of you who entered this one. So until next time, mwah, smooches everybody, bye bye for now.